Cycling, an adventure on two wheels, is a daily activity for many children in the Netherlands. From the first wobbly meters on a balanced bike to the confident journeys to high school, cycling is a journey full of fun and freedom. But let's be honest, it can also be a source of worry sometimes. How do we ensure our little ones stay safe as they explore the world on their bikes? We help you. In this new episode, we give you 5 useful tips. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Did we forget to report an important tip? Leave a comment below the video. We will be grateful. Okay, let's get started. Tip 1. In our previous episode, we discussed tips for purchasing a children's bicycle. We would like to repeat tip 1 again. Buy a children's bicycle of the right size. Choosing the right size children's bicycle is important for safety. A bicycle that is too big or too small not only makes cycling difficult, but also dangerous. If the bicycle is too big, your child will not be able to reach the ground properly, and this increases the risk of falling. Make sure your child can reach the ground with both feet, especially for younger children. A balanced bike is ideal for the little ones to learn how to balance on a bicycle. As they get better and better, you can move on to a bicycle with training wheels. A sturdy, well-maintained bicycle is important for older children, especially if they cycle longer distances to school. Tip 2. Visibility is literally of vital importance. Make sure your child's bike is clearly visible, especially in the dark or in bad weather. Also teach your child the importance of visibility. They need to understand why it is important to always have their lights on after dark and how reflective materials help them be safer. Tip 3. Although it is not mandatory in the Netherlands, we do recommend wearing a helmet for young children. A helmet can prevent serious head injuries in the event of a fall or collision. Unfortunately, when learning to cycle, you cannot always prevent your little one from falling. Choose a helmet that fits well and is comfortable, so that your child will enjoy wearing it. Tip 4. Knowledge of and respect for traffic rules starts at a young age. Start by learning the basic rules, such as driving on the right, extending your hand when turning and stopping at a red light. As your children get older, you can teach more complex rules and traffic insight. Practice together on quiet roads before heading to busier intersections. Good traffic insight helps children to recognize and anticipate dangers. Tip 5. Cycling together is not only fun, but also educational. For younger children, it is important to practice together. This gives them confidence, and you can intervene immediately if necessary. For older children, cycling together can help develop traffic insight and self-confidence. Make it a fun activity by choosing a nice cycling route during the weekend and use these moments to give tips and advice. Okay, those were the 5 tips. Cycling is a wonderful way for children to develop independence and responsibility. With these tips, you can help your children to cycle safely and with pleasure. Together, let's ensure a safe cycling environment for our children. Did we forget to mention tips? Please leave a comment below the video. We will be grateful for that, but certainly also our fellow viewers. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can stay informed of the latest trends, tips, and tricks in the field of cycling. We'll see you next time.